Hello everyone. Welcome back to Talkish English Channel. My name is Alex, and I'm really excited to be here with you today.
Hi everyone. I'm Emma. Thank you so much for joining us on Talkish English Channel. Today's topic is something we talk about every single day.
Yes. Today we're going to talk about how to talk about your yesterday in English. Because this is one of the most common conversation topics.
Exactly. People often ask questions like, "What did you do yesterday?" Or, "How was your day yesterday?" Quote.
And many English learners feel nervous because they're not sure how to use the past tense correctly.
But don't worry. Today we'll show you how to talk about yesterday in a simple, natural, and relaxed way.
Let's start with a very common question. Emma, if I ask you, what did you do yesterday? Quote. How would you answer?
I would say, yesterday, I woke up early and had a busy day. Quote.
That's a great opening sentence. It already sets the mood of the story.
Yes. And then I can add more details. Like, I went to work in the morning and had several meetings. Quote.
Notice how Emma uses simple past verbs like woke up, had, and went. Quote.
That's right. You don't need long sentences. You just need clear past verbs.
After work, what did you do?
After work, I felt a little tired, so I went home and rested for a while.
That sounds very real and very natural.
Yes, talking about your feelings is also important. You can say how you felt yesterday.
For example, you can say, I felt tired, I felt happy, or I felt stressed. Quote.
Exactly. Yesterday, I actually felt relaxed in the evening.
What made you feel relaxed?
I cooked dinner at home, listened to some music, and watched a short movie.
That's a perfect example of daily life English.
Many learners think their life is too boring to talk about. But simple days are the best for practice.
I completely agree. Yesterday doesn't have to be exciting to be worth talking about.
Alex, what about you? What did you do yesterday?
Yesterday was quite interesting for me. I woke up a bit late because I stayed up late the night before.
That already sounds like a story.
Yes, so I rushed in the morning, skipped breakfast, and left the house quickly.
That happens to so many people.
At work, I dealt with emails, finished some tasks, and talked with my co-workers.
You're using a lot of useful verbs there. Dealt, finished, and talked. Quote.
In the afternoon, I felt hungry, so I bought some snacks.
That's a very natural sentence. Simple but useful.
In the evening, I met a friend and we chatted for a long time.
Did you enjoy it?
Yes, I really enjoyed it. We talked about work, life, and future plans.
That's a great way to practice English too, just talking about your day.
Absolutely. Another thing people often ask is, how was your day yesterday? Quote.
And you can answer with simple phrases like, it was good, it was busy, or it was tiring. Quote.
Then you can add one more sentence to keep the conversation going.
For example, it was busy, but I learned a lot. Quote.
Or, it was tiring, but also very productive. Quote.
These kinds of sentences make your English sound more natural.
Sometimes people ask about specific times, like morning, afternoon, or evening.
Yes, you can say, in the morning, I. In the afternoon, I. And, at night, I.
That helps organize your story clearly.
Another helpful tip is using time words like, yesterday, last night, or yesterday morning. Quote.
These words clearly show that you're talking about the past.
And don't worry if you make mistakes. People will still understand you.
Confidence is more important than perfect grammar.
Exactly. The more you talk about your yesterday, the more comfortable you'll feel with past tense.
Talking about yesterday is also great practice for storytelling.
Yes, because you're sharing events in order.
So we encourage you to practice today.
After watching this video, Try to talk about your yesterday out loud.
You can talk to yourself, a friend, or even record your voice.
Start with simple sentences and slowly add more details.
Over time, your English will become more fluent and natural.
Thank you so much for spending time with us on Talkish English Channel.
We hope this conversation helps you feel more confident speaking English.
Keep practicing every day.
Keep telling your stories.
And we'll see you in the next lesson.
Bye everyone.
Bye.